today I'm going to be teaching you how to make golden brown chocolate chip cookies. Recipe, I love making it. It's super easy and you only need a few ingredients. The recipe is actually the one on the back of the Nestle bag, Nestle chocolate chip bag, but you can add your own twist to it, like putting peanut butter chocolate chips or anything like that, anything that you like. Let's get started. So my first step, I washed my hands just to make sure I was completely clean and didn't contaminate anything. I then preheated the oven to 375 and got my bowl ready for my flour and dry ingredients. In one bowl, I did flour, salt, baking soda, and I sifted that all together. I then beat 2 sticks of butter in my KitchenAid mixer, and the butter was room temp, so it was easy to mix. Once those were good, I added in my white sugar and my brown sugar. I then added in my vanilla extract and 2 eggs. I then added all of my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients and beat all of that together. Next, I added my chocolate chips, and I personally put in a whole bag just because I love chocolate chips. I tried to get as much of it off of the mixing utensil as possible so I could get ready to put them on a pan and put them in the oven. I detached the attachment and took my bowl over to ready to put them on a pan. I put them on a pan about 1 inch apart, and my scoops were about the size of a golf ball, I would say. I used an ice cream scoop mixer just because it makes a perfect cookie size. I put them in the oven on the top rack and put them in for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes was up, I took them out of the oven. They were golden brown and very chewy. As you can see, they turned out very good. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you do it along with me in your own kitchen, and I hope you enjoy the cookies as well. Thanks for watching.